Hello, folks. So this week we're down here to start trying to rip out this part of the chimney. So last time I took the chimney down to about this level behind this wall here. And now it's time to start tearing apart this part of the wall and start getting it out of here. All right, have fun. So I'm up here on the second floor. I still have this bunch of debris to get rid of, but this is the hole that I made in the floor with taking out the chimney. And so I've made this fan thing here out of an old air conditioner blower. And I built a frame around it so that I can put filters on each side. So I've got a regular filter. And then this is actually a HEPA filter on each side. So the point is that when I'm blowing air, when I'm sucking, I want to suck air from this hole up. And I want to blow air out the window using this tube. And I want that air to be super clean because whatever's in the chimney here, I wasn't worried about the chimney above here, but the chimney below might have some nefarious things in it. So this is HEPA filtering the air before it blows it out of the house. And it is also HEPA filtering it before it even gets to the fan. So the outer filter here is just to prevent the HEPA from being clogged with bigger debris. That's the only point of it. So I made this frame that will sit down here. Obviously taking this board out, and then that guy sits in there, and I'll make a cardboard coaming to cover it so that all the air is being sucked out of this hole through the filters and out the window. So as I open up the walls downstairs, and I'll be setting up some plastic to make sure that a pretty tight airflow is going through. So, and I'll be wearing a mask anyway, but just want to make sure that I'm being safe and that what's being blown outside is clean. It would really stink to be blowing out some bad stuff and then the bad stuff settles in the gravel. And then when I'm working on the driveway, raking stuff or whatever, then I'd still be breathing it. So I want what goes outside to be clean. Anyway, back to work.